Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I guess you've heard I like easy. Let's go ahead and do a flint and steel fire today. Our flint will be chert and our steel will be out of this homemade steel that I made out of a Nicholson file. I'll go ahead and leave the link to this video, the build video on this, down in the description. And we'll be using denim char cloth. I always like to, ooh, there's two pieces. I always like to tear it in half to expose a bunch of threads. Line those two thready ends up on top of one another and then put them a 1/16 of an inch behind that sharp edge. I believe these are pine branches. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.